welcome back. Today is the day that I've been waiting for. It's finally getting done. So you guys know what that is? Painting the engine bay. Well, hopefully. Anthony's not here yet. Taping in the doors too. We're painting in there?
Listen.
Well, trust the process.
Right?
We want Sosa.
Alright. Does look like shit. Honda.
Right, this was done on a Monday morning or a Friday night.
I think they all look like this.
Yeah, because they do robots. Look at Brian.
I don't know if this is done by a robot in '96.
Yeah, they were ahead of our time. Believe it or not.
Ahead of our time or their time?
Our time.
Okay.
Their time.
Light years ahead of us.
You think that Japan in '96 was better than the world is now in 2022?
Yeah, I would say so. Yeah.
Brian, are you putting any extra places that it didn't come factory?
Not really.
Nope, this car doesn't get that.
No.
That's fucked up, bro.
Alright, no, we see that.
You want to give me that treatment? Okay.
Said it's ready for paint.
Really? No. It's ready for sealer.
No, he doesn't understand what sealer is, Brian.
Why are you so complicated?
You spray sealer, 20 minutes later.
I'm testing Brian.
You ain't testing shit.
Testing Brian. Now I gotta move this thing outside. Anthony doesn't like the loud noise. Seam sealed, tape. See, they flicker, and then it's like they gotta wait to warm up. I don't understand it. Right now we gotta move the Bridgeport outside, the lathe, get it on a dolly. Everything. Give it some gas.
Halloween costume on already. He's a Ghostbuster.
That's what he's wearing, his moon suit.
Who's he gonna call? Hey.
Ready for this, Anthony? No.
Bring this to the fucking party.
Be a painter. There's paint shit all night.
Right, let me seal it.
Let James bless it quick.
He got this.
The rotation, you see that? Stop playing with him.
I knew what I was doing for a second, right?
You know what?
It looked legit with the half click.
Hell yeah.
Click, click. He's got the gimbal on the wrist. You see that? Click, click. Thought of everything. Everything in there. I thought of.
Finally, it's time to put this thing in silver, and I am beyond stoked about it. As you guys seen before, it was
Full refresh, baby.
shape.
Restored. The DJ didn't mention it. He's spraying sealer right now, which makes it.
Oh, I didn't say that. Thank you.
He's spraying sealer, which just makes it all one color. So when he sprays the silver, it's all one shade of silver. Versus if you didn't spray sealer, metals and the darker spots, it'll show through the paint, and the paint will be inconsistently colored.
Sealer is primer.
It is just
What?
Sealer is primer. A thin layer of primer.
Did you wash it?
Huh?
You washed it?
No. Someone came by and threw a water balloon at it.
Maybe take it for a rip dag now.
Now I'm going to Walmart.
You're going to Walmart?
Yeah.
Why?
I gotta get pills.
I'll show him a thing or two.
It's warm in here, boy, and it stinks. But the sealer's on, and now the fun is about to begin.
It's paint time, baby, so we gotta celebrate a little bit.
Cheers. Take a taste. Put on the plastic. Don't point it at me. Don't.
You never point a gun to people.
A paint gun.
Go do the door. Yeah. Oh,
See?
That
I'll hit it right there.
I'm a rattle can professional.
that stance is crazy.
You got this.
Yeah, why is she holding it like that? Like it's got recoil. From your masterpiece. Ooh, it is dry. That looks good. It'll all make sense in a few days, people, I promise. Hey guys, so as you can see, it's a fog in here, and I probably shouldn't be in here, but he did spray the first coat of silver. I can't be in here for this. It literally kills my respiratory system. It's so bad. Are you happy with it thus far? Not happy with it?
No, I
I gotta lightly sand it.
If we,
And I know you don't care about this bag that much. We didn't shave it.
they give me shit about it for not caring. It's not that I don't care. It's that the effort doesn't need to be,
Yeah,
like my white
we don't
Micah
need to go
14.
Right here.
no. We just need to be like in the middle.
A lot of people built Hondas. So
Yeah.
if we go this way, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be the same.
Speaking of paint, Anthony's painting over here. She's painting over here. Picasso.
Some blood splatter.
Gone. No more.
Not a lot of people know it.
Is that a bad thing?
Nah, so same,
Clear's in it.
clear.
Locked and loaded.
Yeah. How it was?
I got the spacesuit.
Got the Russian mafia mask. Look at this shit.
I don't know how good you guys can hear me, but just watch. Looks damn good.
With the engine on.
Update on the customs, the blood splatter vans. They're still wet, but we'll let them cure overnight. Second coat, last coat, because we have no more clear, so this is what it's gonna be.
You can see the vision.
Yeah, absolutely. Which I am more than happy with. That looks insane.
You normally, for personal cars, do 3.
Mhm.
Well, since this is an engine bay, 2 is fine, and you don't have enough clear to do 3.
So 2, it is.
For regular cars, like customer cars, 2 coats.
Oh my god. The glare from the light hitting it, I can't thank Anthony enough. It looks absolutely insane. Now it's a clean silver like the whole rest of the car, because if you guys are new to the channel, quarters were rusty, the quarters were crusty. This car is gonna be a huge transformation. So we are waiting on tires for the E46, which I ordered. They should be here in the next couple days. And now I need a tire for this. The Meister got a flat EK, has a new look on life, fresh silver, crazy to see it, and a glossy finish. A-Series will be in this thing soon enough. Driving, I thought.
Oh yeah, you want to drive it?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Be careful, the steering is broken.
In the morning off at Goodwill. We need to get costumes for a Halloween party. See what we can find. Who is that? We're not gonna find shit in here, I'm telling you. Who would donate that? It's nothing good here ever. It's all junk. The designer shit, Ant. Where's the good shit?
That's what I'm looking for.
Button up.
Might work shirt.
Miami Vice? You find it.
I just got home.
You like these ones? These are so ugly, kid. That's a good. This is a good find right here. This is their rare relics case.
Yeah, that's a cover.
Where all their expensive stuff is. $50 for those things. Throw them in the bin. All right, so we are back at the shop. Picked this bad boy up yesterday. Shout out to I can't say who, but yes, sir. You know what this is?
I don't know, Tom. Who's that?
that.
Kid, it's legit.
That's so legal.
This is legit. I'm a transporter. On a brighter note, no pun intended, it's all painted finally. So now we can unmask and start assembly on the car. Keep it. A lot of time. Quick once over, cause soon we won't be able to see much of it. Nice and dry. Now we just gotta remove all the tape. Look at all this tape. I need to put that on my pit bike somewhere around the handlebars. Perfect. We're working with it. Show them. We don't gotta tell them
Trim
all
black.
the secrets, but
Trim black, you know,
Trim
light coating, first coating.
we cleaned it, we scuffed it, we prep-alled it. Now, remember what Brian says. Light dusting. Light dusting.
Djnoway, if he was doing anything, he said, "What's up, Stevie?" It's like, "Yo, you doing anything, Djnoway?" I said, "I'm just drilling some holes."
Just been going through parts, getting stuff organized, painting stuff. You know, when you do a bay, you do all this tedious crap. So I got the booster all sanded, scuffed, trim black. Got the wiper module back inner. See, it looks like shit, but I'm not painting that. Not dissecting that though. The cowl is gonna look great right on top of it. Peep it. The other parts, see the crash bar, I could put that on technically. The pedals from Peter, yours truly, they fit. Will you believe that?
No little guards though, where'd those go?
Yeah, Peter might have grabbed them for his Type R. So we're about to put the subframe in here momentarily, but literally dissected the whole booster, gave it the trim black special. That tape job, thank you. Crash bars on. I do want to put the subframe in it, that way I could put the coils in it, lower control arms in it, do all that stuff so it can essentially roll. It just won't have the steering column in it right now. I got Integra front lowers and I got this crispy Integra subframe. And I just don't know about these spacers, but I might try to just put it in the car and then I'm sure I'll be able to see right off the rip if I need like these spacers or not. Subframe time. Go ahead. Come on. Yep. Watch your head.
Oh God.
Give you guys the agony. This subframe was a nightmare. Bolts were all different. We had so many different bolts we were trying, but we got them in. Lower control arms are in. Place the bushings on them. I think it'll be fine for now. We had some bolts kicking around. We definitely needed some bolts. This subframe was much different than the Integra subframe that I am currently running. The holes were messed up. It was terrible. I'm gonna try to just throw the knuckles on tonight, the coils, and then it's kind of a rolling chassis again, minus the steering column. Kind of mouse.
Yeah, it was so poor.
We had to use a washer, which is, it's good to run a washer on a lot of things.
I think it came like that though, no?
With a washer. That travel. Oh,
I think I blew the bushing out.
uh-oh. We've ran into a minor issue constructing the suspension on the front of the car. As you can see here, now there's a space between the control arm and the coil fork. So, it is different. Djnoway is gonna try to construct like a spacer that goes in between the two using some simple little spacers to put in between the two. So I can't really do too much more until that's spaced, and I'm not even gonna bolt the coilover up to it until I figure out that, because I might need a new fork or I might need to just space it. We shall see how that comes out. It's a learning curve here, people. It's gonna be different, and that's how it goes when you swap anything. It's never smooth sailing or easy textbook shit. It'll be great. So Djnoway, he could probably explain it to you a little more than I could. We found these in the bin. What did you do?
I just took a drill and
Fit. We'll see how nice Djnoway is here momentarily.
Fucking closing my fingers all over this fucking day.
Kid, I whacked them so hard.
My finger back there.
Damn. Coils. Come on, come on.
pulling up with those mic.
They turn now, but wait until we tighten it. So I don't know how proper this is, but it works. This side on now. Wow, that side's done too. We just need the upper arm. Progress is being made here, people. All right, so over here, I do want to refinish the calipers because they are like a dusted black, and a lot of the brake fluid ate away a lot of the black paint. It'll be good to put them on because I do need brake lines in here, and put the Hasport mounts on. The smoke. Makes sense. Halloween party coming in the next video. You guys do not want to miss it. It's gonna be crazy. Look at the hood latch. It's so dusted. Might have to bring this to Tommy. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for tonight. I put the front wheels on the car. The coils are on it. Suspension, subframe, as you guys saw. And the next one, the Wagon R. It's been AFK. We're gonna do a little mission in the next video of going to rescue it and try to, it's broken, which you guys will see. Part came in, so tomorrow that will be a thing. But the Civic, it's getting progress. I mean, if I had a clutch, the engine would have been in this thing tonight. It's currently 4 a.m. Definitely do need to make another list or two. Those are on it, and it could go on the ground now. I gotta go to sleep. Gotta go resurrect the Wagon R tomorrow. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in the next one.